And my oven is broke this holiday season. It will be getting fixed, but in the meantime, I want to bake. And I do have this large cast iron Dutch oven. It's the kind with the feet. I don't want to get my camera too close to this fire. It's really hot. My dryer also broke, but I have a clothesline rigged up downstairs. I'm going to turn this on low. I've been preheating this for a little bit, just like you would a regular oven. And I'm going to go on a really low setting. And I'm going to double my pot system. This has a lid with, oh, it's hot in there. I'm trying to be very careful while I film this. I've been burnt really badly on cast iron before. It's not fun. I have a thing in here for uplifts because I do not want to put my pan on it. So I'm going to let it come like on the bottom when I bake. I've already tested the pan that I'm going to, the baking dish that I'm going to put inside. It fits perfectly. I have to be super careful and not touch the rims. Never done this before. Kind of nervous, but I want to know if it can be done just in case I ever have no oven again like I do. And I want to bake. So I'm going to try to bake in this thing. I'm going to have it come down to temperature a little bit more. It was really hot. I think putting it on high and heating it up is not necessary. So over here I'm going to be baking homemade pizza rolls with an herbal topping and herbal parmesan topping. And it's in a glass dish I'm going to put on low setting. I'm going to move it over to the area where it's going to get a little bit warmer so it can get warmed up before I put it in there. So I still have it on low, and I'm boiling some pasta for dinner tonight. So I'll show you the next step. As you can see, I carefully lowered it in here inside my Dutch oven, and I made sure that that the side is not touching, and it's perfect. So it's on very, very low. It's in there, it's raised, it's not touching the bottom. You saw my contraption. So I'm going to put the lid on. Oops. Can't do it one hand and show you because it's very dangerous stuff I'm working with. Okay. I'll peek in there real quick. It's probably going to rise, I'm not sure, like an oven would. And touch the top. I'll keep an eye on it and I'll let you know if it works. So this has been baking for 30 minutes. I can't believe it's actually working. It didn't rise as much as I thought, but my kitchen was really cold, so I wasn't sure if it was my yeast. I'm testing it, poking it. So here it is completely done. I baked this for an hour. I could have done it a little higher temperature for a faster speed, but I was afraid of making the bottom like very, very burnt. It did burn on the bottom a little bit, but not too bad. Everybody was eating it. Everybody was happy. My teenagers dug into this, and then these were delicious pizza rolls. It did have a tiny bit of gooiness in the middle, but on the ones on the ends were perfectly cooked and baked through. Either way, everybody loved them. They were hungry and they were really looking forward to home-baked bread because they were raised on home-baked bread. So I tested the bottom, and I've been buying store-bought bread since the oven broke, but that has like a certain smell that they didn't like because they're used to homemade bread. And so I was like, I'm gonna give it a try, and I would say this is a successful way to bake.